everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into the Think Nursing channel. So if you want to be a part of the platform where we're discussing things like, my last video, living in poverty in America here, then please hop onto the channel, subscribe, and just check out the content that I share. It's a very short video, but I hope that you will, share your insight and just decide on which direction you want to take that video. All right, but my narrative on the video is that I am sharing it as a nurse working in the US and experiencing poverty from the eyes of other patients, seeing poverty on a different level. My level of poorness in Jamaica was totally different from what I experience here or see here on a daily basis since I've started working as a nurse practitioner in the field. It is on a total different level. And so I just wanted to bring across that information, but for some strange reason, it came out wrong. I guess it came out really wrong because I've been hearing different forms of the conversation. Check out the video down below for more.